Hi Hannah. Okay, so instructional video for you guys. So you have your confetti launcher. Sure, so you have your barrel and your attachments. On the attachments you'll see that you'll have a lever. You always want to have a lever here on the closed position. You'll have your sleeves of confetti. And then you'll have your compression cap, your lift cup, your CO2 cartridge, and your easy rip tape. So what I like to do first is attach everything. So you have the barrel and then you have the CO2 chamber attachment. What you want to do is you're just gonna slide this up just in here, and you'll see this little part, this little lever, make sure that's up so it slides in easily, and then you're just gonna pull down, that'll clamp onto everything so it'll stay on pretty firmly. So you got that part's done. You want to make sure now this part, the lever, is in the closed position. So this is the open position, this is the closed position. So that's closed, you're ready to rock and roll. First thing you want to do is grab your lift cup, put your lift cup in just like this. What I like to do is I'll grab a confetti sleeve with the plastic still attached, and then I'll just push that down just like that. And what I like to do is I'll go ahead and open up the confetti sleeves just on one side, just as I did here. And I'll do that to all three. And I like to just lay this down, just like that. And then I'll open each confetti sleeve on one side, and I'll just slide it in there just like that. Do the same thing with this one, open up one side, put it in just like that. And with this barrel, the one you have, you can do one sleeve, two sleeves, or three sleeves. I recommend doing 2 or 3. You get a bigger bang for the buck, pretty much. So for this exercise, I'll just do 2. Put it in there just like that, and what I'll do is I lift this up and I just let gravity do all the work. I shake it all out. As you see, those sleeves are, those streamers are falling in there. Just like that. I didn't do these two, but you get the gist of it. And then you just put the cap on. Just like this. Grab the tape. You don't need a whole lot of tape, just I would say about like 6 inches is more than enough. And then you just tape this on just like this. And you're ready to rock and roll. The last thing you want to do is, again, just make sure the lever is in the closed position. You're going to grab the CO2 cartridge, twist it in. You want to make sure you get in there pretty firmly. And once it's in there pretty firmly, you are ready to rock and roll. Now you want to squeeze this in just before you do launch everything. So you don't want to put this in and wait 2-3 minutes, because it'll slowly dissipate and you won't have that much power. So I like to just get it in and wait for the specific moment, maybe about like 30 seconds or maybe a minute, and then finish screwing it in all the way, and you'll feel it kind of cool up a little bit. And just hold this at a 45-degree angle, and when you're ready to rock and roll, you just open up that lever pretty quickly. So as you see, you don't want to do it slowly. You don't want to go like this, because it'll slowly release the air. You want that impact of the air to just pop into the barrel, and then that'll push everything out. So again, when you're ready to go, you just tighten up the CO2 cartridge, hold this at a 45-degree angle, and boom, and then it'll shoot everything out. Other than that, that should be it. I obviously didn't, I'm inside my brother's house, so I didn't shoot the launcher. Otherwise it would have been a little bit of a mess. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just give me a call or send me an email. Thanks.